Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Get into a regular watering schedule to help plants thrive. Water succulents when the top inch of soil feels dry by pour water into the pot until it flows through the drainage hole. Remove all excess water. Soak up the sun. Most succulents love light.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The first thing you'll notice when a succulent needs more water is that the leaves feel rubbery and bend easily. See photo below. They won't necessarily change color, like they would when they are overwatered. 2. The second sign your plant is underwatered is shriveled and wrinkled leaves. See photo below.
Let's help you make your mark.
Succulents and cacti naturally grow in sandy soils that drain quickly, and their roots should never be left in wet soil. Also, using rocks and pebbles on your soil can improve the aesthetic appeal of your succulents. Succulent needs soil to survive, and they cannot survive on rocks and gravels alone.
Take our lead.
Succulents need good draining soil. When planting in the garden, make sure the area drains well and is not in a low spot that would stay wet. The container you are planting in should have a drainage hole, or you can put a layer of crushed rock on the bottom of your container before you put in your planting medium.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.